Starting your day with a healthy breakfast isn't just a good idea, it's the foundation of a balanced and energized day. The right morning meal can fuel your body, sharpen your mind, and set a positive tone for the hours ahead. Whether you're a busy professional, a student on the go, or simply someone looking to improve their morning routine, finding delicious and nutritious breakfast options is key. In this video, we'll explore a variety of healthy breakfast ideas that are not only quick and easy to prepare but also packed with the essential nutrients you need to kickstart your day with vitality. Let's dive into these wholesome options that will nourish your body and delight your taste buds. Healthy and easy breakfast ideas to start your day right. A balanced breakfast should include protein, fiber, and a variety of nutrients. If you're seeking a healthy start to your day, here are some simple and nutritious options. Chia seeds. These seeds are a great source of fiber, with just 1 ounce, 28 grams, providing almost 10 grams. This fiber is soluble, meaning it absorbs water and helps increase the volume of food in your digestive system, which can make you feel fuller for longer. In addition to keeping you satisfied, the nutrients in chia seeds can help manage blood sugar levels, lower cholesterol, and reduce inflammation. While chia seeds aren't particularly high in protein, you can boost your protein intake by pairing them with Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or adding them to a protein shake. Here's a simple high-protein chia pudding recipe. Mix 1 ounce, 28 grams, of dried chia seeds with 1 scoop, 25 grams, of whey protein powder, 1 cup, 240 milliliters, of your preferred milk, and 1/2 cup, 74 grams, of berries. If you like, you can add stevia or another natural sweetener to taste. Stir everything together in a bowl, cover it, and refrigerate for at least an hour before enjoying. Oatmeal oats come from rolled or steel-cut oats and contain a type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which can help lower cholesterol and blood sugar levels. They also have antioxidant and prebiotic properties. Because oats are digested slowly, they keep you full for longer, reducing the temptation to snack mid-morning. Oats are rich in nutrients like iron, B vitamins, manganese, magnesium, zinc, and selenium. Plus, a cup, 81 grams, of dry oats provides about 10 grams of protein. To boost the protein content, try making oats with milk instead of water, adding protein powder, or serving them with eggs on the side. You can also mix raw oats with dried fruit, nuts, seeds, coconut, and other ingredients to make your own muesli. Oats are a great option for those who need to avoid gluten due to celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, but make sure to choose oats labeled as gluten-free to avoid cross-contamination. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is made by straining out the whey and other liquids from milk curds, resulting in a creamier product that's higher in protein than regular yogurt. It's also lower in calories compared to many other protein sources. A 5.3 ounce, 150 gram, serving of Greek yogurt provides 15 grams of protein with only 92 calories. In addition to protein, Greek yogurt is rich in nutrients like calcium, vitamin B12, zinc, potassium, and phosphorus. Some types of Greek yogurt also contain probiotics, such as bifidobacteria, which help with digestion. To make sure your yogurt has probiotics, look for labels that say, contains live and active cultures. If you want an even creamier yogurt with more protein, you might enjoy the Icelandic variety called Skyer. Pairing plain Greek yogurt with berries or other fruits can boost its prebiotic and probiotic benefits. Adding toppings like dried fruit, oats, or nuts can also enhance the texture and provide extra fiber and nutrients. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein, which is important for building and maintaining muscles and can help keep you feeling full. A study from 2020 found that people who had eggs with toast for breakfast felt significantly less hungry compared to those who had bran cereal with milk and orange juice. The higher protein content in eggs, 25 grams, seemed to help people feel fuller and eat fewer calories at lunch. Eggs also provide important nutrients. The yolk contains antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are good for eye health and may benefit your skin, liver, and heart. They are also rich in choline, which is important for brain and liver health, as well as B vitamins, vitamin A, iron, calcium, and other essential minerals. Recent research shows that, despite their cholesterol content, eggs don't seem to raise cholesterol levels in most people and might even offer some protection against heart disease. For a balanced meal, try eating eggs with nutritious foods like whole grain toast, fresh fruit, or sautéed vegetables. Nuts are packed with important nutrients like magnesium, potassium, heart-healthy fats, and antioxidants. They also have protein, fat, and fiber, which can help you feel full. A review from 2022 found that, if you're not allergic, eating a handful of nuts and seeds each day can lower the risk of heart disease and other health issues. However, nuts are high in calories, so eating too many can lead to weight gain. For the most health benefits, choose plain nuts without added salt, sugar, or oil. Adding a spoonful or two of chopped nuts to Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or oatmeal can boost the nutritional value of your breakfast. Berries are a delicious, low-calorie treat that are high in fiber and antioxidants. Common types include blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and blackberries. These fruits are rich in antioxidants called anthocyanins, which give them the blue, purple, and red colors. Eating foods high in anthocyanins may help protect against inflammation, heart disease, cancer, type 2 diabetes, and other chronic health issues. For a tasty and nutritious breakfast, try adding berries to Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, oatmeal, chia pudding, or a fruit smoothie. Whole grain toast is a great choice because it's high in fiber and complex carbs. These nutrients digest slowly, helping you stay full longer and keeping your blood sugar levels steady compared to white bread or pastries. You can top whole grain toast with a variety of tasty options, such as mashed egg and tomato, avocado with chili flakes, unsweetened peanut butter and banana, cottage cheese with strawberries, sliced figs and honey, tuna, sliced turkey or chicken, or baked beans. For even more fiber and protein, you might try sprouted grain bread. 2 slices of this type of bread offer about 8 grams of fiber and 10 grams of protein. Cottage cheese. Low-fat cottage cheese is a high-protein option for breakfast, offering 24 grams of protein per cup, 220 grams. It's also quite filling. A 2015 study found that cottage cheese can be just as satisfying as eggs. With only 180 calories per cup, it can be a good choice if you're aiming to lose weight. You can enjoy cottage cheese with a variety of nutritious foods. Try it with berries, peaches, tomatoes, or cucumbers. You can also mix in chia seeds, ground flaxseed, or granola for added texture and nutrients. Fruit is a light and easy breakfast option that can also serve as a convenient snack during your commute. Most fruits are low in calories and packed with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and natural sugars. The fiber in fruit helps slow the absorption of its sugars, giving you steady energy throughout the morning. Different fruits provide different nutrients. For example, bananas, oranges, cantaloupe, papaya, and mango are high in potassium, while oranges, guava, kiwi, strawberries, papaya, acerola cherries, and lychee are rich in vitamin C, which is important for skin health. Fruits also offer various antioxidants and polyphenol compounds, which vary by color. For instance, guava is high in lycopene, and purple plums contain anthocyanins. Eating a variety of colorful fruits can help you get a range of antioxidants. Whole fruits are generally better than fruit juices because they have more fiber and no added sugars. For a balanced breakfast, try pairing fruit with high-protein foods like eggs, Greek yogurt, or cottage cheese. 5 healthy breakfast combinations. 1. Veggie omelette. Enjoy an omelette filled with sautéed vegetables like red peppers, broccoli, or mushrooms. It's a tasty way to get protein and veggies in one meal. 2. Greek yogurt bowl. Top Greek yogurt with fresh berries, nuts, and seeds. This combination provides protein, fiber, and a boost of nutrients. 3. Oatmeal delight. Cook steel-cut oatmeal and mix in chopped apple, a sprinkle of cinnamon, and a scoop of protein powder for a hearty and filling breakfast. 4. Avocado toast. Spread mashed avocado on whole grain toast and sprinkle with sesame seeds, or top it with peanut butter and banana slices for a delicious and nutritious option. 5. Fruit smoothie. Blend a banana with protein powder, berries, and a handful of spinach for a smoothie that's both refreshing and packed with protein and vitamins. The bottom line: a nutritious breakfast can help you start your day well and may reduce the need for mid-morning snacks. The best breakfast options are high in fiber, protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, which keep you full and support your overall health. Many healthy foods are quick and easy to prepare in the morning. If you're short on time, you can grab fruit or overnight oats to eat on the go. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tips and updates. Wishing you good health, wealth and happiness.